Welcome back to Blooming Rose Academy English classes. Today class 8. In your English text, we will see lesson second the tsunami. Summary of third part of this lesson. Students, in the beginning of this lesson, in your third part, first of all there is given a picture of a boy and a dog. And the writer says to you just you see the picture of this boy and dog and think what would be condition with them. And the writer says that to imagine ourselves. Actually, students, in this third part of this lesson, the tsunami, we have been given the importance of 6 senses of animals. So, according to the writer, from this lesson, it is believed that all animals have 6 senses. 6 because since we man have only 5 sensory organs, and some of the scientists think that the animals have also one extra sensory organ beside 5 these organs. And first of all, there has been given a story of the tsunami that waves. First of all, he has described the story of once a very great sea waves had come between India and Sri Lanka, and that was domestic animals knew that there is going to something wrong. In the first paragraph of this lesson has been given that it happened one chance when the tsunami was about to come, and many of the domestic animals as well as the forest animals knew that something is going to wrong, and then they started to running away from their natural places. The elephant started to screaming and running out from the lower part of the land. In the same way, the birds started to flying away from the lower part, and then they started to save themselves. Hence, students, in your first paragraph of this lesson has been given that animal possesses what? 6 senses. In second, the waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150 people. This tsunami had killed more than 150 people. But the result was such that no animal had been reported to death. Only the man had died. This proves that the animals have also 6 senses. And along the Indian corridor coast, thousands of people died. But goats, buffaloes, dogs were found unharmed. Whenever tsunami or sea waves had come, then only who had been affected? Most of the people, but never animals. The same story, in the same way, it says that along the India's corridor coast, where thousands of people had died, but buffaloes, dogs, and found no unharmed. A Sri Lankan gentleman lives on the coast near the Gale side. Near the Gale side. This is the name of a place, Gale side. He says that once the gentleman had 2 dogs, and they used to go out in the morning near the beach. But on that day, when tsunami had to come, then both of the dogs had not gone out, and they stayed at home. In the Yala National Park in Sri Lanka, there are 150 species of birds, including buffaloes, tigers, zoos, and other animals. But when the tsunami was when the tsunami had to come, then all these animals that are in Yala National Park in Sri Lanka, they went into their room, into their shelter, into their cage, because they knew before the coming of this destruction, 60 visitors washed away in Pantagala Beach. Over here, this is also near the National Yala Park. But no animal had been reported to die. Hence, students, we found from the third part of this lesson that animals have really six sense organs according to this story. But man has not these six organs, and which helps them to know anything which is going to something strange, and this sixth sense helps them to know the vibration of the earth, to know the sound of the waves of the sea, to know the earthquake, and also other natural disasters. So students, this was the summary of your second lesson, the tsunami. And now in next video I will give you the question and answer of this topic. Okay, thanks for classes.